This lecture focuses on files and operations on files and various access modes on files. First we'll see what is a file. A file is a collection of related information that is permanently stored on a disk and allows us to access and alter the information. What is a file? A file is a collection of related information. Okay. What is a information? Processed data is what called the information. What is a data? Facts and figures are called data. To access the file and to create a file, C uses a structure called file, and it is used to store the attributes of a file. File structure is defined in the header file called stdio.h. The two operations can be performed on file. One is read and another one is write. When a computer reads a file, it copies the file from the storage device to the memory. When it writes to the file, it transfers data from the memory to the storage device. Basically, 5 operations can be performed on files. What are the basic operations can be performed on files are 1. Naming a file, opening a file, reading data from a file, writing data to a file, and finally closing a file. Two types of standard library functions are possible on files. What are the two types? One is high level file input output function and another one is low level file input output function. When the high level file input output function is performed, no need to perform the buffer management separately. When we do the low level file input output function, buffer management has to be done by the programmer separately. What are the high level input output functions are available in the C languages? First function fopen, second fprintf, third fscanf, fseek, ftell, fclose, fendoffile, fputc, fgetc, rewind, remove and fflush. Fopen stands for file open, fprintf stands for file printf, fscanf stands for file scanf, fseek, file seek, ftell, file tell, and fclose is for file close, feoc for file end of file, fputc to put a character, fgetc to read a character at a time, rewind is used to move the control to the beginning of the file, and remove is used to erase a file, and fflush is to flush a file. Okay, what are the basic operations we can do here is, one is fopen and fclose, then fprintf, fscanf. These are the 4 functions we will be doing. Fopen is used to create or open a file. Fclose is used to close the opened file. Fscanf is same as the normal scanf, but the normal scanf will be taking 2 parameters, but fscanf will be having 3 parameters. First parameter is the file descriptor, remaining 2 are same as the scanf. Fprintf also will be having 3 parameter, but normal printf will be having 2 parameter. Fprintf 3 parameter, first parameter is the file descriptor. When we open the file, along with fopen, we have to give file modes. Basically 3 modes are available: R, W, A. R stands for read mode, W stands for write mode, A stands for append mode. When we open a file with R mode, it allows only the read function. When we open the file with the W mode, it allows only to write. When we open the file with A, it allows us to append the content into the file. When we go with R plus, read and write is possible with the file. When we go with W plus, write and read is possible with that file. When we go with A plus, append and read also possible. What is this W will do? When we go with the W, if already the file is having some content and we are going with W, means already existing content will be erased and the new content will be added into that file. When we go with W plus, it appends the new content into the old file. That is a difference with W and W plus. This is the syntax for file open. Fp is equal to fopen file name comma mode. File name is whatever name we are fixing, that one we can give. And the mode is the read, write, append, read plus, write plus, and append plus. File star fp. With this is a structure already created. For this structure we are creating a pointer variable, and that fp is equal to file open of file name comma mode. Whenever we access further, we will be using this fp only. This is the example how to open the file. Fopen input comma w. Input is the name of the file. Open with the write mode. Another function is closing a file. A file must be closed after operation of the file have been completed. Fclose file pointer. What file pointer in this example we have created is fp, so we are closing with fclose fp. By doing this, all the information associated with the file is flushed out from the buffer, and all the lines to the file, links to the file are broken. What are the input-output operations can be performed on the file is, operations on files are getC and putC are the simple file input-output operation. getC is used to read a single character at a time. Syntax is C is equal to fgetC of fp. It is same as the normal getC function what we discussed in unit 1 and all. It reads the same single character at a time, but the thing is that the parameter is the file descriptor. FputC writes the single character at the time associated with the file pointer. PutC character variable comma file pointer. PutC what character we are going to write and what is the file pointer. Fprintf is similar as the printf, but Fprintf writes on the file. Fprintf 3 parameter it has: f pointer comma control string comma list of arguments. Fprintf fp, here we are going to write three variables. One is string, another one is integer, another one is float, is given here. Same as printf only, but it is taking one more pointer fp, file pointer fp. Another function is fscanf. This is same as scanf, except fscanf works on files. Fscanf 3 parameter it takes: file pointer comma control string comma arguments. Fscanf fp comma three arguments we are passing here comma and the name of the 3 variables. Ftell, fseek, rewind are the other 3 useful functions used for reading and writing the data effectively. When we read a data from the file, complete entire data we have to read. When we write, we have to search completely. At the end, we have to write. Instead of that, if we want to read from a particular place, we can use this 3 functions: ftell, fseek, and rewind. These are the 3 basic functions which consumes the time. Ftell is the function used to specify the current position of the file. Ftell file pointer. Fseek is used to move the file position to the desired location. Wherever location we want to go, we can use fseek. Fseek has 3 parameters: file pointer, offset, and position. And rewind takes the file pointer to the starting position of the file and resets the position to the start of the file. Rewind file pointer. With this, you have understood what is a file, how to open a file, how to close a file, how to read the content to the file, and how to get the content from the file, and what are the types of basic operations can be performed on the file, and what are the modes we can use along with the file open, and what are the additional 3 functions needed to save the memory and the time. Thank you.